coaching thought for the day. So when students are struggling in class, what do we do as teachers? We find ways to scaffold, right? Sometimes that is chunking content, big pieces of information into smaller bite-sized pieces. And they may not get it all in one sitting. The second thing we might do is we might model for them. So we might give some examples. We might show them our mental modeling for the things that we're thinking as we go through a process ourselves. We have to remember that those are also important for teachers sometimes. When we are coaching teachers, there is absolutely nothing wrong with scaffolding for them. It's not saying that they aren't smart enough to figure things out. It's not saying anything negative about them, just like it's not saying anything about students. Sometimes that's just all our brains can handle at that point. That's all that we're ready for in this big job of teaching. So some things that we can do with teachers when teachers are struggling and they come to us for help. One is we can scaffold by chunking the content. There are plenty of teachers that I work with that are in their first year or first years or have transferred from another school and they're trying to figure things out. I don't go into my first meeting with them expecting them to have met the ceiling level expectations, right? So sometimes just breaking it down into pieces and letting progress build over time, there's nothing wrong with that. I appreciate that myself sometimes. The other thing though is modeling. Sometimes we're afraid to just offer for teachers, are you looking for suggestions, or even would it be helpful for me to come in and model how to do that? Not because I'm a know-it-all, because I know how to do everything, but I just might have more confidence in that area. Maybe it's something that I have more experience in, and I can go in and model whatever the practice is for the teacher in front of their students. So building trust with teachers is important so that they don't feel threatened by either of those things. The teachers that I work with, when I offer that and when they take me up on it, they're not offended for getting support in that way. They are so appreciative. And so I think that that's something we need to remember as coaches, is that it's not insulting to offer assistance and provide help for teachers in whatever way that they're needing it. We need to embrace that growth mindset. We're all learning and growing together. So I don't know why I just feel like sharing that today, but let's make sure that we are honoring teachers wherever they are and giving them support however they need it best.